Very good afternoon. Every celebration has its highlighted event, and without a doubt, the prize distribution is the crown of the day as we celebrate our students achieving outstanding success. And then, today, we honor the achievers for the academic year 2023-24. May their achievements encourage every student here to dream big, work hard, and rise higher. With great pride, let us now proceed to acknowledge these stars-up nibs through the awards. Let's begin the prize distribution with our adorable little learners of pre-KG. Securing the first place in pre-KG, we have J.A. Jerusha Margaret. Dear child, kindly come forward to receive your award. Please come. Proceed to the junior KG category to celebrate the achievements of our young learners. Bagging the first place in junior KG, we have V. Siddharth. Following closely, the second place is secured by J. Jayalalit Pondi. Well done, students. Audience, please give your encouragement by the thunderous claps. For the first prize, I invite M. Lokesh Kumar to the stage. And for the second prize, let's welcome S. Lizan. Great job, students. Coming up, we have the grade 1 achievers. Securing the first prize, let's welcome J. Vishesh David to the stage. And winning the second prize, M.T. Moganesh Kumar is on the stage. Congratulations, students. Now it is time to honor our grade 2 achievers. I invite Delphin Ben Wesley on the stage for the first prize. And I call M. Mukesh Vidyasaran to receive the second prize. I take this moment to call K. Nitin to the stage for securing the first prize. Joining him, let's have R. Krishant for the second prize. Stepping into grade 4 achievers, Isha Bhuvaneswaran to receive the first prize. Following her, M. Muhammad Hanif is invited to accept the second prize. Moving ahead, to grade 5. Yes, Darshan, proceed to the stage for the first prize. Right after, we Ajita Bharati join us to collect the second prize. Well done, students. Grade 6, let's take a moment to appreciate our grade 6 achievers. O. Amudan is receiving the first prize. Following him, P.M. Sandria may proceed to the stage for the second prize. Moving on with grade 7. Master M. Desigan on the stage to collect the first prize. Next, B. Prajit. Please step forward for the second prize. And now for grade 8 achievers. Master M. Zenith, kindly come up to receive the first prize. Then, V. Saran can join us to collect the second prize. Thank you, students, and thank you, sir. Next, we have special winners. As you know, our school belongs to CBSE Zone 7, Madurai. Every year, an inter-school competition is held among the zone-level schools by MSSC, Madurai Sagodaya School Complex. This year, the event was hosted by Sabari International School, Karyapatti. We are proud to share that 2 of our students participated and brought laurels to the school. From grade 5, Isha Bhuvaneswaran presented an excellent performance and secured first place in doodle art for the concept Exploring India. Isha. And from senior KG, B. Netra made us proud by achieving first place in Eco-Rera. We hope the list of achievers will grow even longer in next year. Well done, Ms. Isha and Netra. Not only in academics, our students have also made us proud in sports through MSSC inter-school competition. In skating, conducted at Linga Global School, under 17 category, Master P. Ratesh from grade 9 secured second place in the 1000 meters event and third place in the 300 meters event. Next in yoga, held at RSR International School under 17 category, V. Saran from grade 9 secured first place. Congratulations to both of them for their remarkable achievements. Now it's time to appreciate a very special achievement, 100% attendance. Regular attendance plays a key role in students' success. Being present every day helps to build strong learning habits and shows responsibility. For achieving 100% attendance, I invite the students on the stage here, R. Krishant from grade 3, O. Amudan from grade 6, and Kanabran from grade 7. Next, Kannapran is receiving the prize for 100% attendance. With that, we include this part of the prize distribution. We will continue with the second part after the cultural events. Thank you.